mother support this, father support to this, and no one support to me. And if that situation come, what you should do? As a parent, meet this party, let them to explain their concern first, and stop meeting, but don't advise. The biggest problem today, we always jump to the advice. This is a boiling situation. We need some cool water, not put food or not hot water. Let them to speak, maintain, okay, you can speak now, you should listen to him. Mediate or manage. Then that's okay. And as a parent, pick up the real reason. Stop there, okay? Now you can go somewhere. You are not allowed to talk to each other. We will meet tomorrow morning again. What we do? Avoidance. You apply slowly avoidance. Giving them time. Then call or summon second meeting. Then you give summary. Yesterday we met. We listened to both of you. This is our understand, not our advice. This is our understand. Your mom and myself, we discuss. This is our findings. Okay. Tell what you think. Now still they are the important. And okay, we will meet again tonight or tomorrow morning. Now you can talk. Then they are allowed to talk. If the situation getting better, if situation reverse, still you apply ground rule. No one allowed to talk. And third time, no summary. Okay, what is your plan for to this problem? What did you contribute to this issue? We wanted to know they understood their mistakes. This is my finding. You had contributed this thing to this issue. You had contributed this thing to this issue. Okay, now we have third session. You have to stop now. If you are not to stop, we are going to away or take your benefit. We call child currency. What does mean child currency?
Pocket money.
Stop game.
Pocket money, right?
No, that's not child currency. I knew that you are misunderstood the word currency. See, new concept. Benefit, all the benefit we call child currency. Two toys, watching TV, using computer, online, and what other thing? Handphone, games, all these things are not allowed inside the house. No connection with outsiders. That's the real management. Buddha did same thing, but the story go on and on, but mess up the theory. See, when you show to me and your mom or your father, you will get things orderly. See? Now I'm going to stop my first part. Okay, now, what's the time now? Yep, 1 hour. Yes, your turn. Take away.
I want to go back to the two groups of monks that they are quarreling. I want to know how they come to agreement, the two groups.
Third party involved.
No, not the third party. How they these two groups agree to their problems.
Acknowledging mistakes.
Who have give ways initially they are very stubborn not to give ways. But finally they agree in what way they agree. Somebody back down or what?
My personal belief with there's nothing in story. Okay, that's another missing in the stories. When third party involved, they mentally get shocked. Because of that shock, they have to find other alternatives. And the peacemaker put some insight, because you are stuck to Vinaya rules, but it's not violating whole Vinaya. Therefore you have to give up and acknowledge your mistake and go to other party. You are not supposed to criticize. If you see somebody's mistake, what you supposed to do as a Buddhist monk? Friendly with kind-hearted, with a good intention, help that person to understand. That's the insight came through the peacemaker. And apply same theory if your family issue, go back to your family issue. You both fail as the mother and father, what you should do? Bring third party. Counselor, family counselor, or Reverend Dhammasiri. I'm just kidding. Don't want to spend too much money. Family counselor or family friend. Both trusted. Before the person involved will give all the details secretly, the third party. This is thing going on, this is our understanding, they are the concern. Then third party person can listen first and come back to you. I think that's the way it's solved, but it's very short. The powerful pressure come on, then what happened to the party had to think in order to survive. Because this life-threatening challenge, if you are not stopping arguing forever, we are going to stop all our support. It happened, for example, Kinrara Buddhist Center. Two members arguing or fighting for something. All other members come and say, you guys have to stop. If not, we are leaving. Do you want to keep our center going on, or you want to destroy our center? We give you 2 weeks. If you come as a team, I am very sure these two has to leave the place or reconcile. That's the way I think, sir. The story doesn't say too much. It's my assumptions.
Can I say something extra?
No problem, you are allowed.
Like in the situation, like family, in case the one party is very stubborn and he's not going to give up what he thinks, and he's very adamant on it, even though you remove the privileges, and he still find ways to get moving on his own, and the conflict will be still there.
Oh, I understand what you mean. This person, I am talking about the kids.
Yeah, the
It's a different level. If your son or daughter working and have power to buy what the person needs, that theory doesn't work. There's no child. The word child currency I use.
No, I'm saying sometimes it's that this situation, like the child maybe is not in this position on that sense, he might work on the third party or what. But what happens when you have conflict, when you have no control on a lot of things, like he can be on his own, he can be, like this sort of thing. So how are we going to solve the conflicts?
No, it works this way. Then you have to change the child currency technique to, you have to find suitable technique that put this way. The one is working now, have everything, but not happy with the family, making trouble to family. What we should do, arrange dinner, invite him, okay, very open-minded, don't judge, he is a stubborn, you are labeling that person. It creates unnecessary tension between parents and children. You know he is stubborn, but you should not say that. Don't label. If the son is having an issue with the father, father should not speak first. Put the mother to speak for father. Family table, mother going to be a leader, that